Pulling the piston off the connecting rod, we've removed the circlips. The pin is tapered and it comes out this way, and we'll lay that there. Bring the piston off, and here's our wrist pin bearing. And here's our piston up close. Probably a real good mechanic / machinist could clean this up, but I'm going to go back with a new piston. That's what we'll do. New piston, new rings, new clips. Another point of interest, these circlips, I was trained to install these with the ends pointing in the direction of piston travel, whether up or whether down. I have a diagram, Indiana Doug will find this interesting, of Dolmar MAKITA, and the diagram shows the installation in this manner. So I found that very interesting, and my training is from the late 1980s up through about 2013, so that's kind of strange from Dolmar MAKITA. So thank you very much for watching. I guess the next thing, when we get our new parts, we'll start putting things back together. Until then, we'll see you next time.